Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. You are welcome to Joy Uzo TV. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are very welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing beginners how to do irregular braids, knotless braids, and also how to braid on a wig cap. If it sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. Guys, please try and watch the video carefully because I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I will be showing you two ways you can do your knotless braids. I always use the second method. Guys, when you are doing your braids, try to hold it very tight from the roots. You can do any of these braids on a closure when you are making a recap, and you can also do it on someone's hair directly. I will also be showing you 2 ways you can braid on the wig cap, 2 methods. Guys, I use this attachment color so you can see what I am doing very clearly instead of using black attachment. Also know that this video is not about how to hide hair inside attachment that is colored. So just ignore the black hair that is showing in the braids. Ignore it. Guys, for me, I always use this first method. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Give the video a thumbs up, share and comment. Also like and follow my page. If you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, you guys are the boss. Thanks for always stopping by. I do really appreciate you. God bless you. Feel free to check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.
It's not that I don't notice, to me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving